Hello, everyone. Welcome to Alphawisdom. I'm Mystic Cassandria, and this is lesson 85. We are talking again about the fate line. In this lesson, we will be looking at examples of where the fate line starts, starting positions. We'll look at one specifically that starts from the lifeline, and then we'll see one that offers multiple fate lines. Okay? Let's take a look at the first example. Here we have a fate line showing the starting positions. And I'm hoping you're looking at your hands and just to see for comparison. All right, here we have a fate line that starts inside the lifeline. We have one that starts between the palm or in the center. And we have one that starts in the moon area, the lunar moon. I've listed them with A, B, and C to help you along. All right, looking at the one that says A, here is the fate line beginning inside the lifeline and runs to the middle finger. It indicates that the person will have material success in life and that relatives close to the person will assist greatly. All right, let's look at the next one. When the line rises from the center of the palm, that's letter B, and runs to the Mount of Saturn, that's the one in the middle finger, the person will achieve success in life largely by his own efforts. All right, and let's look at the last one, C. When the line rises from the moon area, as marked, letter C, and runs up to the middle finger, the person's success in life will be materially assisted by one of the opposite sex. Now, this could be good advice, or it could be the rendering of financial aid. For example, husband and wife, and the wife gives support, 100% support, or great assistance in the career of the person. All right, let's move on to the next one. Here's an example of a fate line starting from the lifeline. Looking at this one, and it's marked A and B. We're looking at A. A heads toward the index finger. And afterwards, a few years later, here we have another one that's running parallel, going in the same direction. Now, this can happen. This shows that starting off, the person had help from the family and then branched off on his own to be successful. And then in the meantime, he looks like he's starting something different. It could be a business, a different career that's running parallel, and both are going toward Jupiter, which almost guarantees success because the lines are well defined. That's another great example. All right? Now let's move on to the next one. Here is an example of fate lines. There are a lot of fate lines here. Let's take a look at them. We have one that starts from the lifeline, but it starts later on. Doesn't start at the beginning of the career area. And looks like it's starting in the late 20s, going on to the early 30s because the green line represents age 35. And he's branching off. He's learned all he needed to learn. His foundation is solid and he's going ahead. The one in the center of the palm, that's where he's starting totally on his own. But then take a look at the others. It's like he's going it again, paralleling that. So it's like starting off with the center line, there are two other careers going at the same time. And later on, here's another one coming from the moon area that continues on up alone. So here's a person that has many talents, very determined because all of the lines are solid, and that's good. That's very good. All right. Looks, we're going to run out of time, so I'm going to save the next one for the next lesson, along with some other things that we need to talk about. All right. Thank you for watching. Please remember to give a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for subscribing. Appreciate you very much. Stay safe. Be happy. Bye.